In this tutorial, you'll learn how to insert a Glideshow to your Adobe Spark Flyer. A Glideshow is simply a combination of images and text, and a few other options are available, which I'll show you a little bit later. I'm going to first scroll down to inserting the Glideshow. Above this plus sign menu, you'll see Glideshow is on the far right. I'm going to click there. I have the option once again to choose here in the center of my screen to add a few background photos to my Glideshow. If I click right there, it's going to take me to my documents or my downloads or perhaps my desktop where I have some images stored. I, again, for this tutorial, am just going to use the Find Free Photo options, and I got there just from the Add Photo menu that you see. The Find Free Photos here is at the top. I'm just going to choose a couple here. You really can choose many more for your Glideshow, but really I'm just going to choose a couple for the sake of our tutorial. And I'll choose one more. Scroll down to find an image that I like. Okay. Once I've found my images, I'm going to click Save. And you'll see here I have my images popping up as my Glideshow. It takes just a moment for them to load. So this is basically like a slideshow at the bottom of my Adobe Spark Flyer. I'm going to click here. I can go back and edit the photos. I can choose Edit Glideshow. I, sort of like the photo grid, can choose to move my photos in a different order. I can, replace the photos if I need to, delete them. Once I'm satisfied with my photos, I'm going to click Save. And then here on each photo, I can add text, button, video, or even an additional photo with that. I'm just going to choose text similar to a caption for the photo. And another option here, I can choose a focal point of my photo. So when my users are scrolling down, the Glideshow will actually focus on a certain part of the image. So I'm just going to drag this here to the elf's face and choose Save there. And I'll add another caption to this one. And I'll choose a focal point for that image as well and click Save. I'm going to go to the top of my screen in the center and click Preview just so you can see the Glideshow in its entirety. So my preview option will take a moment to load. Alright, so this is what your users will see when they view your Adobe Spark Flyer. Okay, I'm going to quickly scroll down here to the bottom and view my Glideshow. So you'll see my caption here for my elf is showing up, as well as my caption for the gift exchange. So that concludes the adding a Glideshow section of this Adobe Spark tutorial.